Change financial year in Busy. In this video, we will see how to change financial year in Busy. To change financial year, we will go to Administration, Change Financial Year. Change Financial Year menu allows you to create a new financial year. Also, it keeps the account of previous year separately and transfer the balances to new year. Here you can see financial year from 1st April 2022 is also appearing, and if you want to create a new year from 1st April 2024. You are going to create a new financial year, okay, and click on Start button. On clicking Start button, all the masters and balances start updating to the new financial year. So it will take some time to create a new year and financial year change successfully. One thing very important to note here is that please ensure that you have taken backup of your data before creating new financial year. Now, if you want to move back to the previous year, you can simply press F11 key and here click Yes button and you will be switched back to the previous year within few seconds. Also, if you want to switch to previous year 22 to 23, you can also do the same by pressing F11 key or by clicking here. So, changing financial year with Busy is very easy. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.